Hello and welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we are here with another exciting tool to share with you that will change the way you approach investigations and researches. Say hello to Sherlock OSINT, the ultimate open source intelligence tool for uncovering valuable information. Before we jump into the details, let's clarify what open source intelligence is. Open source intelligence or OSINT means the process of collecting and analyzing publicly available information from various sources to generate intelligence or useful insights. Sherlock OSINT is a leading tool in this domain. Sherlock OSINT is a Python-based command line tool developed by its creator. It allows users to search for information about a person or an organization by querying into numerous online platforms simultaneously. Once initiated, Sherlock scours various sources and compiles the results efficiently for further analysis. Now let us see some of the features that Sherlock provides us. First of all, it provides us a multiple platform support. Then there is profile enumeration. Then there comes quick and efficient way to enumerate these profiles, as we can decide the time frame for each platform, and then it is customizable. It is a very user friendly tool. So now let us see the usage of Sherlock tool. First of all, this is the GitHub page for Sherlock. Now let us see how to install this tool. These are the steps you need to follow to install Sherlock. So now let us install the Sherlock in my Kali Linux. I will be using git clone command to clone the repository of Sherlock. Now let us go into the Sherlock folder. After this, as mentioned here, we have to run this command python 3 -m pip install -r requirements.txt. This will install the tool in your Kali. After this, for the usage of the tool, just visit the GitHub page and there is the command python 3 sherlock -help. So as you guys can see, these are all the flags that Sherlock provides us. -h for help, -version for the version of the Sherlock, -verbose, -output to save the output in a text file, and many more. You can also provide this -timeout command just to tell the tool about the time it spends on each platform. Now let us search something and try to use this tool. So first of all, let us search someone who is renowned in this cybersecurity field, that is NahamSec. NahamSec is a very big YouTuber who provides information about cybersecurity and teaches us about the cybersecurity on various tools. So this is taking a lot of time. So now let us provide it the timeout command. Let us say 5 seconds on each platform. This will be spending only 5 seconds on each platform and then try to find out the username which I have provided him. In my example, I have provided him the NahamSec. As you guys can see, these are all the results that this tool found for me. In similar manner, you can also use this tool to gather information about your target. So this was our today's video. I hope you guys liked our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, stay secure.